Hello guys. So I have been feeling so sick for the last like 3 days. So I'm sending Jace to the store to get a pregnancy test and I'm going to take it and see what it is. I would honestly be shocked if it was positive, but also not shocked because I never just like randomly get sick for like 5 days at a time. So we will see. Okay, honey, what do you have for me?
Pregnancy test, baby. Just for you, my love.
I'm gonna go take it. Wish me luck.
What do you mean, wish you luck? I'm gonna be in there with you. Oh, huh.
I got it. Okay, I have to pee so bad. I gotta pee so bad. Okay, let's read the instructions. Wait 2 minutes. Simple one. What? Okay, I did it. Now I'm gonna flip it down and wait 2 minutes. My heart is racing, but I feel like it's negative. It's probably been 2 minutes. Wait. Guys. Why is it not focusing? Pause. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yeah. You ready to see the results?
Are they ready?
They are ready. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Take it.
I'm honestly gonna pee on that. What do you think?
What do you mean what do I think? That means I'm pregnant.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Well?
Well?
That's freaking nuts.
What the heck? It came up in less
Do you feel pregnant?
yeah. Honey, it came up in less than 2 minutes. I'm like shaking really bad too.
Really?
Oh my
Are you
gosh.
nervous?
My heart is racing.
How are you feeling, baby?
Sick.
What are you...
It is later this night. Jace painted our ceiling. And now he's making us move the whole mattress. Okay, it's the next morning after I took my pregnancy test. That was positive. Oh, now I'm gonna take another one. I feel like just seriously so awful. I wanna die. But I'm gonna take one real quick, then I'm gonna hop in the shower because I just wanna make sure that it is positive. I've been laying down for the past couple days feeling just terrible. I like can't get up. I feel so sick. All right, time for another reveal. Yep, pregnant. Prego. 2 positives. 2 positive tests. Okay guys, so I'm 6 weeks and 2 days today. I'm still laying on my couch. I have my 2 cuties to snuggle. We're all drinking ginger ale because, oh you guys, it has been so miserable. I've been sick every single day, all day for the past week and 2 days. And so I've just been laying down, eating lots of crackers, drinking Sprite and ginger ale, and I have just been so miserable. I'm 8 weeks and 1 day. I don't have much of a bump right now. I am wearing Christmas pajamas. Oop. Oh. I want to cry. Okay, this is a very rare sight that anyone who knows me personally has not seen in about 4 or 5 weeks. Oh my gosh, I'm like already out of breath. I got ready today. Ooh. I'm going out for a date night with, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm going out for a date night with my friends Jacqueline and Macy. We're gonna go for a girls' night. And I'm going to tell them that I'm pregnant. Because I already got makeup on this side. So I was like, I'll just leave it. We're at Teppanyaki. Yay. Girls' night.
Girls' night.
You guys
Talk
want
that
to
out.
No,
straight out. What?
I'm pregnant.
No, you're not.
No,
No. I I can't
Luckily,
believe
right now
that.
I'm feeling so good because I've been so sick.
Oh my god.
And so I'm like trying to feel a little bit better.
I'm like trying to like
I literally,
it feels like
baby was healthy, which was good to know. I was very scared. I'm measuring about 12 weeks and 4 days, did he say? But he is keeping my due date on December 2nd. And there's little baby. We got some cute little pictures. Very cute. There's a whole new baby in my tummy.
Baby. Hello, baby.
All right, guys. We're going to take our pictures to announce the pregnancy. So I'm ending off this video here. I'm 12 weeks and 2 days today. I made these little shirts for Beckham and Haven. They say big sister and big brother. So cute. So if you want to see our pictures on Instagram, they should be up sometime very soon. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and we're so excited to tell you guys that we have baby number 3 on the way. I'm just so excited to share with you guys because so much to talk about with you. I'm going to be doing a Q&A next, so you can ask us questions in the comments, or I might do a poll on Instagram, so look out for that to ask us any questions that you guys might have. Today's video shout out is Dolly Powell. Ta-da. Thank you so much for commenting, and if you want to be next video shout out, oh my gosh, my hair. If you want to be next video shout out, don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe. We love you guys. We're so excited to take you guys on this next journey of our life. Okay, bye. Right here. Giving the baby kisses.